Sure. I found this couple of days really helpful actually, coming from a non-technical perspective, but with experience in emergency response, I can see how the crossovers are there. So that's been really helpful for me. I do have a central IT team that know much more about the tech side of things, and I'll be linking in with them just to check and just to sense check some of the stuff that I make sure that they're doing all this stuff. I think they are. They're plugged into all the NCSC stuff, and they were showing me around their systems as well. So I have quite a high degree of confidence that we're doing things okay. But yeah, really enjoyed it. Really good taster for me into the world of cyber stuff, and nice delivery style as well. So thanks very much.